Hi, and welcome back to our monthly maintenance update at Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum for the month of April and what to expect in the month of May. As you could all figure, the month of April had us working at home, and so our focus was online content, which is what I had alluded to in the last update. So I would say the highlights of the online content would include a Meet the Mechanics series. And if you've been keeping up, you've been able to get to know the different FHCAM aircraft and tank mechanics, and we think that went pretty well. Another couple of highlights are the Facebook Live sessions. We did Facebook Live sessions on aircraft maintenance, just maintaining all the aircraft in the collection, as well as the ME-262, which was just done last Friday. That about covers the month, other than some kind of small trainings and other things to keep our time busy. A lot of things that are probably less interesting to you guys. So we'll move right into May. May, you can expect a lot of the same thing. We're going to be focusing again on online content. We'll be doing a Facebook Live session again on the JU-87. We're also going to be starting a couple new series, one of them being Warbirds 101. And some of you may remember that we had a Warbirds 101 class years ago, and we had lots of content, lots of really good content that our mechanics here at FHCAM had put together. We're now going to voice that over and make that public, so it should be a really fascinating series. Another fascinating series that we're going to begin is artifact introductions. So I'll be giving tours of the different airplanes. We're going to start with the BF-109 and the F-6F Hellcat, and we'll get a walk around and just get an introduction to the airplane, really. For you members, you'll then get an extended, deeper dive into areas like the cockpit and wheel wells and just a little more of the internal workings and drill just a little deeper down with the artifacts. So everybody stay safe, stay healthy, and stay sane, and we'll see you next month.